As a nonprofit organization, you might be interested in solar energy for a greener planet, but unfortunately, many nonprofits can't take advantage of the tax benefits that make it more affordable to get solar panels. But we have great news. By the end of this video, you'll understand how your nonprofit can tap into clean energy through community solar without the upfront investment. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Kelly, and this is Going Solar with Pivot Energy, where we cover all things solar energy, commercial solar, solar financial incentives, and community solar. First, let's do a quick recap on what community solar actually is. Basically, it's just an off-site solar energy system that produces electricity, usually on a large piece of land called a community solar garden or farm. Residents, businesses, municipalities, and nonprofits like yours who either can't or don't want to install their own solar panels can subscribe to the energy produced by the solar farm instead. By doing this, you get to take advantage of the shared solar power that's sent to the utility grid, offsetting fossil fuel consumption. This has a ton of environmental and financial benefits, which we'll get to in a second. If you're interested in learning even more about community solar, check out our video all about community solar and how it works, linked in the description below. Before we go any further, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video on all things solar. Before we dive deeper into community solar, let's chat about which solar incentives nonprofits can and cannot utilize. Businesses, organizations, and even nonprofits can install a solar panel system on their rooftop, parking lot, or even unused land. When investing in a commercial solar project, though, organizations pay for the solar system outright with cash or through a financing method. For-profit business owners and corporations with a significant enough tax appetite are able to take advantage of the tax benefits that come with owning a commercial solar system. To learn more on that topic, check out our video on how commercial solar works for businesses linked in the description. As a nonprofit, your existing tax exemption status takes you off the shortlist for getting the same tax benefits that for-profit businesses get. You may not be able to take advantage of things like state tax cuts and investment tax credits, or ITCs, which would give you around 30% back on your investment. Since the majority of your dollars are already budgeted for your organization, and you likely can't take advantage of the ITC, it's more expensive for a nonprofit to go solar, and it may not be the best financial move if cash is tight. Don't fret though, because we have another great option for you: community solar. With community solar, you can sign up your nonprofit and subscribe to the energy produced by the community solar garden without any upfront costs. Each month, you'll pay a subscription fee just like you pay for Netflix. When you subscribe, your utility company places solar credits on your electric bill each month that reduce your total bill. The credits will almost always be more than the subscription fees. With Pivot Community Solar, you can expect to achieve savings with your community solar subscription right away. That's money that can go straight toward your organization's mission. And all of this comes with zero commitment and zero installation cost, plus a solar developer like Pivot Energy will do most of the work for you. But what if life happens and your organization suddenly needs to move to a different location? No need to worry about anything other than simply transferring your subscription to your new place if you're moving within the same utility territory area. Need to cancel your subscription? No problem. Most solar providers allow you to cancel with notice. That's the beauty of community solar. No solar panels on your roof means no hassle. Plus, you'll be supporting a cleaner, renewable future. When you subscribe to community solar, you're not just letting the people you serve know that you care about Mother Nature. You're directly impacting the speed of climate change by offsetting the amount of fossil fuel electricity on our grid, and that's one more thing you can feel great about. So, are you ready to get started? Before you get started with community solar, it's important to take into consideration which part of the country you live in. 22 states, plus Washington, D.C., currently have community solar policies in place, so a quick Google search will let you know if there's a community solar program available in your area. Once you've gotten that figured out, you'll want to research local solar companies to see if your nonprofit is eligible to tap into it. You may even be able to sign up for a community solar subscription with Pivot Energy, as we currently have programs available in Colorado, Illinois, Minnesota, and New York. If you have any questions about eligibility in your area, contact me by email or comment below. After you sign up, you'll start receiving credits on your monthly electric bills, which is based on your subscription size within the community solar garden. Depending on the program you're in, you'll either receive a single invoice with your net credits deducted from your utility bill, or separate invoices for your electric bill and your community solar subscription fees. Your overall savings for the month is the difference of the credits you receive less your subscription fee typically between a 10 and 20% savings each month. Now, I know that can be a little confusing, so be sure to watch our other video linked in the description about how community solar billing works. If you're considering subscribing to community solar, our team at Pivot Energy will hook you up with the best plan for your location. I've included a link below to submit your information. A solar specialist will then be in touch with you to see if there's a program available in your area and to help you get started on solar savings. Pivot Energy is a turnkey solar provider, so we build and manage commercial projects in addition to planning, financing, building, and managing community solar gardens all across the US. We're dedicated to making solar energy solutions accessible and providing you with everything you need to know to make informed decisions, whether it's subscribing to community solar or commercial solar. Please get in touch if you're interested in learning about your community solar options or if you have any questions about our other services. As always, feel free to leave any questions you have or reach out to me directly using my email listed in the description. My team of solar experts and I are happy to help answer any of your questions. For more information, check out our website, pivotenergy.net. I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned more about how you can take advantage of community solar as a nonprofit. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we post our latest videos on clean energy solutions. Thanks again for tuning into Going Solar with Pivot Energy. See you next time!